So the projection of u onto v, that is what we called it. So say u and v are non-zero vectors. So you can see u up here on the top in this diagram. Let me go a different color. So u's up here, and then v is this long projection. So what it's saying is that we let w1 and w2 to be vector components of our u. So we're building that that right triangle that we use the trig for in the second half of 8-1. And we can go ahead and then call the vector w1 the projection of u onto v, because it is literally sitting, it's that horizontal component sitting on vector v. So the way we find that, if you look at the notation, projection of u is the big one onto v. It goes backwards. And then that is the dot product of u and v over the magnitude of v squared times v. So there are quite a few steps onto this. So we will do a couple together, but I want to make sure you guys write this down. It's very important. You will be tested on it. It is prominent. So the projection of u onto v, those are two different vectors, and that visual is found over here. That horizontal component is lying on top of vector v.